real stressed about it. Like, I'm about to be in trouble.
Don't turn this way. Oh my God. Did you people see that? She gave me the shaky shoulders to me. Yeah. That's nasty. Cause she was fat.
Every time I have to touch the money, I always scream amen.
What?
Like, amen. The Robert will be like, I pledge allegiance to your mom, the United States to your dad, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for your mom. Or something like that.
Etc. Dr. Maxis. Here's my tattoo.
I'm sitting like this.
I'm supposed to be
sitting like this. Bro, this is the street of the guy who had the Well, sit like this then.
No. Did you guys know I'm recording a video and I'm gonna post it on YouTube?
Did you know that this is the house, this is the street of the guy that has the vending machine?
That has the hole.
He has the vending machine back there and he wants people to buy it.
It's a PT Cruiser. Now I have proof. I'm gonna be able to. Oh gosh, there's a car in the way. No. Over here.
No, that one is. That's his house. Right there. I see his vending machine. Oh my God, that is his house.
So there is the PT Cruiser. I'm going to be able to hit people on this in the PT Cruiser Bruiser. It's a car. So just like set it right there on my bike. Why? Look how tall I am.
With the chicken bang
Ah. Okay, we're going really fast now. Holy crap. God, cool. I'm on my own now. Everybody else is gone. It's only me. Oh, doggies. Let me see. No, I'm really all on my own. They didn't ditch me. Oh, I know they're back here. No, I'm recording your dog. Wow. What an idiot. And I thought I was going to give her the... Because I saw it from the back and you know, going ponytails are usually up. Like that car. Wait, no, I don't. This car sucks. About time. Oh, so I was like walking up. I was like recording this person's dog, and they're like, "Are you gonna take pictures?" Darian. I was recording these people's dog, and they're like, "Oh, you're taking pictures of us? That's not nice." And I'm like, "I'm recording your dog." See, they're down there at the corner. Yeah. Oh my God. That was an awesome sound. Go back, go back. How did I just do that? Whoa, holy shnikes. That was a weird sign. Okay. Hop on the sidewalk real quick. Like a quick and a chick, like a quickie chick. Let's see what this is. Yeah. Jesus. Well, Jesus was a honey baby. This is actually pretty peaceful. This is a long video. 6 minutes and 21 seconds so far. What? Oh, we're going back this way. See? Let's go. Oh my God, they're singing Justin Bieber. We gotta go. Oh, sweet dogs. Hi, dogs. It's a dog. What? My God. Why do they have to? Hi, dog. The sun. It's so bright. I can't see. Yeah. Deaf child area. Hey. So there's deaf childs here. Wow. You'll have to put a sign up for it. Dang. Oh my God, it's a car. It is a car. Oh my glob. It's a car. Fire hydrant and a bag or something. Oh my God, it's a Subway. Oh, dog. First person view. On the back. Now get in this car. That's the guy who like tried to run me over. Oh my God. Dang. Oh my God, it's a dog. Oh my glob. It is dogs. Hi, dogs. Bye, dogs. Oh, we're all good here. We're all good. First person. Guys, we should go back the other way. My friend RJ's house is the other way, y'all. Listen.